Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let A equals aij, and they have given you matrix A. If aij is the cofactor of aij, okay, so this is cofactor of this, and if you will observe, you guys are multiplying elements to their corresponding like elements with the cofactor, correct? So we guys are writing elements and cofactor. Now keep this thing in your mind. If we will multiply elements with their corresponding cofactor, corresponding cofactor, we will get determinant. Okay, keep this thing in your mind. And if you will multiply elements with some other cofactor, it will become 0. Okay, I hope this idea will be clear. Now look at this. I feel that we need to find out Cij, matrix Cij. Okay, so for Cij, you know that I will range from 1 to 2. So C will also will become 2 cross 2 matrix. So it is C11, C12, C21, C22. So we need to focus on this part. Now for C11, what we will do? I1, J1. So summation I starts from 1 to 2, A, I and J both are 1. So I is 1, ik, and A is 1k. Okay, here it is not I, it should be k. Okay, here it is not I, it should be k. So this is your first thing. Now look at this. Suppose that I will be writing in place of k, I will be writing 1. So it is A11, A11 plus A12 into A12. Look at this. You guys are multiplying elements with their own cofactor. Okay, so what we will get? We will get determinant. Determinant of A. Okay, because this is element of A and cofactor of A. So C11 will become determinant of A. Similarly, we will go with C12. Summation k starts from 1 to 2, and this is A 1k and A 2k. So if you will use 1, it will become what? A 11, A 21, A 12, A 22. So if you'll observe, element is different, cofactor is different. Element is different, cofactor is different. Look at the subscript. Element and cofactor are of same lower subscript, no? So here you will get 0. Okay, now wait. Now we will go to C21. So summation k starts from 1 to 2. A, in place of I we need to place 2. So it is 2k, A 1k, again A 21, A 11, A 22, A 12. Again elements and cofactors are different. So it will become 0. Okay. Now the final element C 2 2. So summation k starts from 1 to 2, a 2k, a 2k, and here you will get different thing. So a21, a21, a 22, a22. Here look at this elements, and they are having their own cofactor, so it is determinant of a. Okay, so before solving this part, we need to calculate who is determinant of a. So look at this, let's try to calculate determinant of a. It is log128, log128 times log25 4 5, I think this is the correct, yes, minus log5 base 4 5 8 base 4 log 8 base 5. Okay, so we need to simplify things. Now look at this, can I write down this 128 as 2 power, like look at this, this is 2 power 0 is what, 1, 2 power 2 2 power 1 is what, 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, then 64, then 128. So 2 power 7. So we guys can write down 2 power 7 and log 2 power 7 by 5 into log 5 power 2. What I will do, look at this, I will break down. We guys know that log a base b can be written as log a by log b. Okay, so it is log 128 by log 5, log 25, log 4, log 5, log 4, log 8, log 5. Now let's simplify things. So log 128 is what, 2 power 7. So you also know that log a power b, if anything is in the power of argument, will come at coefficient. So I will take that 7 at the coefficient, 7 times log 2, log 5. Now this 25 can be written as 5 square, and then that 2 will come at coefficient. This 4 can be written as 2 ka square. So 2 log 2 minus log 5, 2 log 2, and then 3 log 2 by log 5. Now we need to simplify things. So this thing gone, this thing gone, this thing gone, this gone, this gone. So we are left with 7 minus 3 by 2. Now you can simplify 14 minus 3 by 2, which is 11 by 2. So we got determinant as 11 by 2. Now we have to write down the matrix C. So matrix C is what? First element is determinant A, 11 by 2. Second element is 0. Third element is 0. Again next element is determinant. And you need to find out 8 times determinant of C. So first focus on determinant of C. So it is 121 by 4, and they are asking you to go with 8 times, so it is 2. So it is 242. Hence the required answer is 242. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.